right, good morning. We're back at it for another day. About to head out. Did a late start.
It was nice. We had a nice big breakfast at the buffet downstairs. But now we're about to head into the parks. It's a rainier day, so it was a good day to sleep in. And now we're ready to go.
All right, let's do it.
First ride of the day is the Matterhorn. This roller coaster is a bit rough, but not too bad, and has such fun theming. Now it's time for a snack, so we went with the Matterhorn macaroon. How was it? Good?
Good.
We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station.
We went on the train a couple of days ago, but we wanted to check it out again during the day. It's also a great rainy day option.
Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
It's a pretty busy day in the park, so we decided to go into downtown Disney for some shopping and lunch. Alright, we are in World of Disney. Monster socks are $15 each when you buy two. I like this, the paper towel holder
yeah.
where he's like holding on to it.
Yeah, cute. How much is it?
$39.99.
Yeah.
But it's hefty. It's a good weight. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Look at Doug. It's Doug, right? Doug is the dog.
Yep.
$90. That makes sense though, because it's
Russell
got
and
the
Doug.
fuzzy ears. I love this so much.
I wonder why he clips and then unclips. Like, is this where maybe your ears can go here and clip it?
Oh, maybe.
Right, otherwise, I don't know why the clips would be there.
$89. The Game of Life, $49.99. It's really cute. I like these Torella ears. $34.99. Time for lunch now. We're here at Naples Restaurant for some pizza. This is the Caesar salad for two and the calamari.
Wouldn't be what?
Doesn't feel like it'd be.
And then this is the pesto pizza with mozzarella, diced tomato, basil, and then we added chicken to it. So no luck in World of Disney finding, Thomas is looking for a bag, right?
Yep.
Which is fine, but we just finished up lunch at Napoli, I think it was called. And what do you think?
Very good.
Yeah, they import their flour from Italy, which is kind of cool. We did a Caesar salad for 2, which was so good.
Yeah, and a lot for $6 a person. So
Yeah, it was
I
great.
would pass on the calamari, just
Yeah.
chewy. But other than that, it was a really good meal.
Yeah, it was great. In Disneyland, the monorail station goes from downtown Disney all the way into Tomorrowland inside the park.
We're now en route to our final stop, the Tomorrowland monorail station. Along the way, you can get a bird's eye look at the downtown Disney district, Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa, and Disney California Adventure.
Just off the monorail, we have a lightning lane for Autotopia, so we're riding that while we're over here. And now one of my favorites, Alice in Wonderland.
My adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the road. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Wow. See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait! Please!
He went this way. No, that way.
I need an important date.
All right, you say hello, goodbye, and later.
Who are you?
By the way, he went this way.
We dare not stop.
So let the picnic spread. We're heading the Ross's Rest.
Her Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen will always win this race.
This day has gone by quick. Already golden hour, great time to ride Dumbo. And now we have a lightning lane for Tiana's. This was a perfect day for it because we already had our rain jackets with us, so if we got wet, we'd be fine.
Welcome, y'all. Next is up to Lewis and find some positions for our party. Look out, Bayou, here we come.
We're not quite ready for dinner, so we're opting for some beignets and a mint julep. All right, you want to open it up? Now time for more rides, starting with Big Thunder and then Indiana Jones.
Hello, oh, my friends. The brakes may be needing a little adjustment, but easy on the curves.
This is the bacon wrapped asparagus and the beef skewer from Bengal Barbecue. We are on a very busy main street waiting for the nighttime show, which is projections, Mickey's Mix Magic, something like that. So we're going to end the night with the show and head back home.
I reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me.
We are back at the hotel, so that was a wrap on day 4. Tiana's we rode for the first time tonight, and I loved Big Thunder at night. If you go to Disneyland, definitely go on Big Thunder at night. It makes all the difference. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, and tomorrow we will be in California Adventure. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.